Today I'm going to go through hopefully a fix of this GWL G10 amplifier. So this amplifier is for my son's electric guitar, and it actually, when he plugs it in, he gets the sound of the hum of the primary amplifier, but nothing coming through from playing his guitar. So that really kind of indicates that it's likely the preamp on this. And the preamp, I've taken this apart already, at least to get to the board. It's not a very complicated assembly, but you can just see in here the opamp, which is a JRC 4558. Now that's a pretty common preamp for guitar amps. At least of this type, and the main amplifier, the power amp for the speaker, is back. You just see it down here. So that's a TDA 2030. It's like the 14-watt main amplifier. So it's a linear. Yeah. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to try and just see if I can pop this out. And the idea would be that I'm going to put a socket in here because I expect this thing to probably get blown up again. And I'm going to take a look a little bit further to see if there's any input protection to try and prevent this from happening again. But if not, it's just going to be a direct swap, and hopefully everything fires up nicely. Okay, now the socket is actually installed, and I've swapped this out to a 1458 opamp, and it's not quite the same, but that's all I've got to work with. I also went ahead and cleaned up all the pots. Now the pots were pretty bad, so I used some of the Diox Fader F5 on it. So hopefully that will clean up all the crackling and popping and everything else that we're getting. So I'm going to go ahead and finish putting this back together. So that's going to go through, get the pots all screwed in place and mounting screws put in place. And then I'm going to go ahead and try it. Alright, I'm just going to double check that that's not causing a problem. And everything's plugged back together, so I will plug this in and go grab a guitar. Okay, so I've got the guitar hooked up, and got a classic 60 Hz hum. Somewhat out of tune. So it seems to be working fine now. So that seems to be all that was wrong with it, was the preamp had blown. So this is actually a really easy fix for anyone that has this problem. The other nice thing is the volume is nice and smooth. There's no crackling. Same with the treble and the bass. So the F5 slider cleaner lube is working awesome. Before, this would be cracking and popping majorly. So yeah, so if this helped you, great. And if it did help you, give it a thumbs up, and have a good day.